Well, class 10th, Chessis English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your English faculty in front of you, Miss Shashwati Chaudhary. So, well, students, we are continuing the lesson, that one, Unit 6, Class 10th, and obviously, before going to start, page 125. Before that, your textbook, you go through the following board work. So, Unit 6, The Discovery by Harman Wood, continuous lesson with exercises and all going on. Concept, reading comprehension and learning outcomes. That one, dialogues, all the dialogues are play. So, all the dialogues comfortably, you will keep on studying, you will read on, and obviously character study very important. After this, read and respond. Whenever you are reading, your response through short question answers and all different ways, different fill in the blanks, short exercises, so many things are there, vocabularies, grammar part, everything involved. In which way SSLC designed the syllabus after one chapter. In that way, everything textual part first important to complete. After textual part, then reference I will start it. Now this one, all the textual materials, dialogues, read and respond. Then your read and comprehend means you will read the lesson and understand it. So that you can also question in different way. Next one, vocabulary, page 125. From here at this point we will start today. Fill in the blanks, speak well, and so on. So, in the regular manner, here, Unit 6, 10th group, get ready with your textbook along with your stationaries, all attachment papers obviously, because time to time exercises, question answers, page marking, important points, everything I am going to tag in the attachment. So, that one, textual reading, textual exercises you have to understand first. Then from the reference corner, lot of things will come because of your board examination. Because board exam means totally you should be fit and fine before examination. So naturally textual part first of all you all will complete. All exercises, all question answers including textual lesson. Read and respond, read and comprehend, reading comprehension. All the procedures are there, that all things you have to consider and you have to read it sincerely. So dear students, class 10, here we are going to start page 125. So please get ready with your textbook 10th group, page 125, enrich your vocabulary. See, look at the words given in the diagram. Here you see one diagram in the left corner of your textbook. Icy, cold, chilly, cool. Icy, cold, chilly, cool. Look at the words given in the diagram. They are close in their meanings. Icy, cold, close attachment in meaning. Then conveying chilly, cold, icy cold, then cool, very cool as cucumber, cool, very cool. So icy, cold, chilly, cool, all are correlated words. Choose the most important word from the diagram and fill in the blank. As for example, e.g. means as for example. Bhuvana. Hello students. I came to know that you are going to visit Markara. Aren't you? Means are not you? Students. Yes, madam. It's rather hot here. So we would like to visit Markara, for the weather is pleasantly there. Pleasantly cool there. In this way, you can fill it up. Test 2, after test 1. In each of the following diagrams, one word is given. Now, you have to out, complete the respective diagram. In the rectangle box, here are so many words given here. So from the given box, you can pick up one word and you can put it in the rectangle box. But before that, my classwork is, I will tell you related meaning of the word. Please, attachment you will get it. Now you listen sincerely. This is your classwork part. That one I am telling you. S-T-A-R-T-A-D. What is this word? Startle. S-T-A-R-T-A-D. Startle. Now, exact meaning, correct meaning of the word. Feeling, showing, sudden, shock. I have written these all related words, meaning. Next one, you see, this one, another classwork, H-A-R-B-A-R-E-L-Y, barely, B-A-R-E-L-Y, barely. So, barely indicates some meanings like hardly, scarcely, S-C-A-R-C-E-L-Y, J-U-S-T, just, hardly, scarcely, just. Next, another word you see, this one, B-I-G, big. Big means large, that is huge, likewise. Another one, fringe, F-R-I-N-G-E, F-R-I-N-G-E, fringe. Fringe means here the border, B-O-R-D-E-R, border or outer edges of an area, that is fencing. Anyways, outer edges of an area. So, wooden fencing, plantation fencing, cement fencing, glass fencing, so many things are there. This is all nearby meaning to. These all things are very nearby to the word F-R-I-N-G-E, fringe. Here you see, dear students, class 10. So I have done my classwork, that one, to make you understand the word. I have put these words collected from internet, that one. Simultaneously, 5 words related meaning to this one or co-related to this particular word in this 4 rectangle box. Now, your home task, your homework activity will be, here lot of words given, large, scarcely, border, hardly, amazed, enormous, rarely, limit, surprise, huge, margin, abundant, so many words given in the box. Now, according to meaning of startle, meaning I have already given you. According to tallying with the meaning, then you will put that particular word and fix it up in the rectangle box. So, first you have understand word meaning. What is the particular meaning or correlated meanings are coming. So, 4 to 5 words at a stretch I have given as meaning. 3, 4 in this way. So, what will you do? Now you understand particularly meaning of startle, barely, big, French. After that you put out one word from the box. Then you put it inside the rectangle box according to the correct meaning. Don't neglect it. First understand, then only write it. Now this works in the notebook also, you can do it, no problem. Now page 126, 10th group. Task 3. Fill in the students in the following sentences use the appropriate words in their appropriate forms. Appropriate words, you take some words and appropriate forms. So you will get the attachment. I am reading now. Please listen carefully. The children were so excited that they could rarely speak. Number 2. The chemical pollution poses a threat to the population on a large scale. Number 3. The mutinous sailors were stunned by the boldness of Pip. Number 4. The noise amazed Ramesh and he dropped his glasses on the floor. Number 5. Javed, the policeman, was enormous armed to face the robbers at home alone. Number 6. They won a W-O-N. They won a surprise victory in the elections. This much you carry out, make your notes, read on, make understand, then make the notes and all. God bless you. Shortly coming back with the continued part.